homosexual. What?
Hey. Hey. Hey.
What's that?
Hey.
Ah!
Hi.
Questions for the boys.
Let's get it.
Do you really like giving us your hoodies?
Fuck no.
Why do you guys act like you don't care?
Because we don't.
Do you like buying us food?
No.
Do you tell your homeboys about us?
Definitely not.
Do you guys ever lie to us and tell us we look good when we don't?
Every day.
Do you guys think it's okay to have a girl best friend?
Of course.
Do you like when a girl makes the first move?
Yes, molest me.
Do you guys ever cry?
No.
Do you guys like when we dress bummy?
Yeah, it's cute.
Does hair length matter on a girl?
Yes.
Does height matter?
Yes, no giraffes.
Does weight matter?
Fuck yes.
How long does it take until you realize you love someone?
We don't.
Why do you guys ghost girls?
Because you're boring.
Why do guys cheat?
Because we can.
Why do guys get mad when a girl wears a crop top?
Because you look like a hoe.
Does it matter if a girl's smart?
Yes.
Why do you guys give your game more attention?
Priorities.
Okay, I'm done. Bye.
You know what the whole coronavirus pandemic has shown me? Well, there's like an actual zombie apocalypse going on. No one's gonna take it seriously. They're just gonna make a bunch of memes and videos about it. Which honestly, I'm all for that. That shit's hilarious, but we're fucked.
No color.
Oh my god.
Where?
Why is everybody in my bathroom?
Because it's all black.
It matches.
Fuck. Bro, where have I seen this shit? Yo, come here. Look at this. What the fuck is it? Oh, it's a bitch. Oh!
Motherfuckers come on, 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 motherfuckers come on. Oh, I got 7 Mac 11s, about 8, 38s, 9, 9, 10.
Eric, someone's in your favorite tree, bro. Fuck, why are you in my tree? Hibbity hop, hibbity hee, get the fuck out of my tree!
You ever realize that your future self is probably making fun of you right now?
Joke's on him. I'm currently ruining his life.
I'll whoop your ass. Your girlfriend look like my mom.
Roderick, can you explain what you're doing in this photo?
That's not me.
That's not you?
Nope.
I think y'all could use some tips. I'm skinny, I'm winning, and all you bitches are ugly. I'm a crackhead, ayy. I'm a crackhead, ayy. I'm a savage, yeah.
I'm single when I'm lit, bitch.
I'm a badass bitch. What you looking at?
I am the reaper till your fucking speaker jump off of a bridge like follow the
Turn me up some more. I put the new 4G's on the cheap. I got into the bloody bottoms that's underneath. Cause I'm ready to get it out. damage.
100 bad days made 100 good stories. 100 good stories make me interesting at parties.
100 bad days made 100 good stories.
No, what was that? What? Oh. Huh.
If you can literally sit behind a screen and tell someone to kill themselves, you are insane.
Abby! Who's here? No one. Abby, Mom said you can't have people over. It's quarantine. I don't have anyone. Is it a boy? Oh my god.
Just want to talk to my sister. It's too easy.
Hey, Abby, just make sure you're keeping 6 feet for Corona plus an extra 3 for Jesus.
Hey, stop.
If Corona doesn't kill this kid, I will.
Bro, what did you just say?
What? Meow. Meow. Meow.
Hey, what is wrong?
Does this kid have his mask and gloves on? Alright, I'll come check.
Rebels, 2018 in that Porsche Corolla. Gay up pouch. Rex in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts.
Moving right along in search of good times and good booze. With good friends you can't lose. This could become a habit.
I'm out here on the come up. I beat the pussy drummer. I roll up no more drummer. Womp, she give me what.
Hey, Dad.
Oh, you're here. Good. I need your help. Come. Yep, that's working. Yep, that's working. That's working. Yep, that's working. That's working. What does your mother mean she's bored?
Dad, can you get me a new Xbox? Yeah, son. I'll get you a new Xbox when a 27-foot hot dog on wheels travels right past our house.
This footage of a wildebeest getting killed by lions made me feel sad for the wildebeest. So I used computers to turn the wildebeest into a Nazi. Now I'm glad that it's dead.
Ladies and gentlemen, the volume inside of this bus is...
Can Jesus cure Ligma? Ligma? Ligma balls.
Things you didn't know had names, part 12. You're gonna think I made today's word up, but it's 100% real. Niggly Wiggly. What the heck is that? It's the legitimate name of the little piece of paper you pull out of a Hershey's Kiss. I don't know. Ask Hershey. I don't know.
Alex, this is how you know you're in Japan. You have all of these cool transformers or robots, and then all of a sudden, just huge titties.
Look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine.
Life could be a dream, so boom if I could take.
Well, in that case.
We had empires run by emperors, then kingdoms run by kings. But now we have countries run by... I'll let you finish it off.
The continent of Africa is only half as large as the continent of Africa, which is itself 100 times smaller than the continent of Africa.
So I just went on this site to look for some flags, and you have the pride flag, you have the Maserati flag, you have another pride flag, a Flemish flag, a pride flag, the Belgian flag, the Dutch flag, the French flag, the American flag, another Belgian.
Where? Fuck off. Fuck off. No. I swear to fucking God. Get out of my room. Dad.
Yes, hello. I was wondering if you could play that song again.
Which one, man?
The one that goes...
Fuck it!
So my girlfriend just got me these cutesy little salt and pepper shakers that say, "You're the salt to my pepper." And I was getting ready to put the salt in them because, you know, that's what you use them for. But then I realized that I don't know which one to put the salt in. Because this one says, "You're the salt." And if these two shakers are talking to each other, which is kind of the vibe I get from this whole thing, this one is saying, "You're the salt." And then this one goes, "To my pepper." So this one's saying that it's not the salt. And this one's saying that it is the pepper. So are they both pepper? Because I don't know if this makes any sense to anybody else, but like, is this one supposed to be a mixture of salt and pepper? Because this one's saying it has salt in it. Or is it just, it says the word salt on it, so I put salt in it. This says pepper on it. I have no idea what's going on.
Do it how I want, I don't gotta sell my soul. When I sell blue pills, you can smoke off the floor. I got Oxy, Zanny, take off your panties. Fresh like Manny, got a script from my granny.
I'm fresh. I'm hood. I look good. I look like.
Did you know that if you mix borax and honey and put it out where you have an ant infestation, all of the ants will come to drink the delicious honey?
So what do you guys do for fun around here? I don't know, sometimes we throw shit at Kevin. Who's Kevin?
Kevin!